SBOM and Dependency Track strengthen your cybersecurity. As industry becomes ever more connected, cybersecurity is growing increasingly essential. Rather than waiting for a breach to happen, organizations need to proactively secure their systems. Traditional methods, such as sifting through endless Excel sheets, are labor-intensive and inefficient. Flanders Make has now developed a tool to streamline the process. The system is built on a software bill of materials, SBOM. This detailed inventory lists every software component within your production system. When changes are made to your SBOM, an automated pipeline uploads the SBOM to a DependencyTrack-server and connects to the security advisories of your component suppliers. The DependencyTrack-dashboard then allows you to monitor your cybersecurity risks at a glance, ensuring you're always one step ahead in safeguarding your operations. This demo provides a hands-on experience of setting up a dashboard as you review the cybersecurity risks in your SBOM. You will be able to see the pipeline in action and the resulting updates to the dashboard.